I almost gave up. I almost quit chasing my biggest goal. I almost walked away when everything seemed impossible. But I didn't. And that decision changed everything. It was hard. It felt endless. Every step forward felt like climbing a mountain with no top. Every failure felt like proof I wasn't meant to succeed. But deep inside, a small voice kept whispering, "Keep going, don't stop. You can do this." That voice became my guide, and that's how I learned the real secret to never giving up. I started my journey with hope in my heart, but soon, reality hit. Every step forward felt heavier. Every plan seemed fragile. Every mistake felt like a huge failure. I faced obstacles I didn't expect. People who doubted me. People who laughed at my dreams. Even friends I trusted whispered, "It's too hard." I wanted to give up. Many times. I remember one night clearly. I sat on my bed, tears in my eyes. My goal felt impossible. I asked myself, why am I even trying? The answer wasn't clear, but I remembered that small voice inside me. Keep going. Don't stop. You can do this. I took a deep breath. I reminded myself why I started. I remembered the feeling of imagining success. The feeling of reaching my dream. It was worth the struggle. The first step was small. I broke my goal into tiny pieces, one day at a time, one action at a time. Each small step became progress. Even when I failed, I moved forward. I learned to face rejection, to handle failure. Each no was not the end. It was a lesson. It was a sign that I was trying. And trying is more important than winning immediately. I learned patience. I learned persistence. I learned that progress is rarely fast. Sometimes it is slow. Sometimes it is invisible. But even small progress adds up. Even small victories matter. Started celebrating tiny wins. Sending an email I feared. Finishing a difficult task. Speaking my mind in a meeting. Each victory gave me courage. Each step strengthened my belief. I built a routine. Daily habits that kept me moving. Even when I felt tired. Even when I felt afraid. Consistency is the secret weapon of people who never give up. I kept a journal. I wrote down my fears. I wrote down my goals. I wrote down my victories. Seeing my journey on paper reminded me that I was progressing. I learned to manage my thoughts. When doubt whispered, I said, "Not today." When fear tried to paralyze me, I acted anyway. Confidence grows when you act, even if you are afraid. Even if you feel unsure. I faced criticism. I faced envy. I faced discouragement from people I loved. I felt pain. I felt sadness. But I reminded myself, my path is mine. Their opinions cannot stop me. I learned to focus on what I can control. Not on what I cannot, not on what others think, only on my actions, only on my effort, only on my persistence. I discovered that every failure has a lesson. Every mistake teaches something. Every setback builds resilience. The key is to get up again, every single time. I took small risks. I tried things I was afraid to try. Even when success was not guaranteed, even when failure seemed likely. Courage is built in the moments you act despite fear. I surrounded myself with supportive people. People who reminded me of my worth. People who encouraged me to keep going. I realized confidence and perseverance grow in positive environments. I started noticing my progress, even when it was slow, even when it was invisible to others. Each small step forward mattered. Each step built momentum. I reminded myself every day, Keep going. One step at a time. Progress is progress. Those words became my mantra. They carried me through doubt. They carried me through fear. They carried me through nights of uncertainty. Realized giving up is easy. Anyone can quit. But persistence is powerful. Persistence changes your life. Persistence creates opportunities. I learned to embrace discomfort, to step out of my comfort zone. Because growth happens when it hurts. Because progress happens when it's difficult. I began to see results. Slowly, at first. Then faster. Each achievement fueled the next. Each victory built momentum, and I felt unstoppable. Even when obstacles returned, even when doubt crept back, I remembered the lessons. I remembered the voice inside. Keep going, don't stop. You can do this. Step by step, I built resilience. Step by step, I built courage. Step by step, I built the habit of never giving up. And with every step, my dream became closer. Slowly, my efforts began to pay off. Small wins turned into bigger wins. The mountain no longer felt endless. Each step forward felt lighter. I started believing in myself. I faced bigger challenges. Challenges I once thought impossible. Every time I acted, even afraid, I built strength I didn't know I had. I learned to stay focused. Distractions no longer controlled me. I ignored negativity. I ignored people who doubted me. I focused only on my path, only on my goals, only on my progress. I celebrated every milestone, even the small ones. Completing a task, finishing a difficult project. Taking action when fear tried to stop me, I started inspiring others, sharing my journey, showing them that persistence works, showing them that failure is part of the process, showing them that giving up is not the only option. I discovered the power of consistency. Daily habits turned into momentum. Momentum turned into results. Results turned into confidence. I took bigger risks. I spoke up in important moments. I asked for opportunities. I tried things I never thought I could, and each risk brought me closer to my dream. I learned that perseverance is a choice. Every morning, I decided, I will keep going, no matter what. Even when tired, even when afraid, even when the world seemed against me. I embraced mistakes. I treated failures as lessons. I treated obstacles as teachers. I learned something from every setback, and I applied it the next time. I noticed my mindset changing. I felt stronger, more resilient, more confident. I no longer feared failure. I no longer feared rejection. I no longer feared trying again. I realized that giving up is easy. Anyone can quit. But those who persist, they create their own destiny. They turn dreams into reality. They show the world what is possible. I reached moments I once thought impossible. I achieved goals I once doubted. I looked back and realized every tear, every fear, every late night, every failure, they all led to this moment. I inspired myself. I proved to myself that I could do it. And that was more powerful than anyone else's approval. I kept going, even after success, because perseverance is not about reaching one goal. It's about building a life where you never give up. I learned to trust the process, to trust the journey, to trust myself. And every day, my belief grew stronger. I saw obstacles as opportunities. I saw failures as lessons. I saw fear as a signal to act. And with every step, I became unstoppable. I reminded myself daily, never give up. Keep moving. Your dreams are worth it. These words became my shield, my motivation, my compass. Started enjoying the journey. Not just the goal, each challenge became part of the story. Each struggle became part of my growth. I realized dreams are built one step at a time. Persistence is the bridge between desire and achievement. Hard work turns visions into reality, and courage turns fear into opportunity. I never gave up, and that made all the difference. Every failure became a lesson. Every challenge became a chance. Every small step became progress. I learned the ultimate truth. Success is not about talent, not about luck. It is about never giving up. It is about showing up again and again. It is about believing, even when no one else does. Now, when I face new goals, I remember the journey. I remember the struggles. I remember the fear. And I smile. Because I know, no matter how hard it gets, I will keep going. I will never give up.